Alright, today we're going to do a video of an OKK Vertical Machining Center, model VM5. It's serial number 205. It was new in 1998. You have a Mitsubishi pneumatic 635 control. The spindle is running right now at 1,000 RPM. In the low range, this is a 2-speed gearbox machine. It goes up to 8,000. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 3,000. Going up. That's 4,000 RPM. That's 5,000. It's a Cat 40 machine. Again, goes up to 8,000 RPM. Do a tool change. It's a 20 tool ATC, side mount. Jog the axes, that's your x-axis. The x-axis has 32 inches of travel. The y has 20 inches of travel. That's your y, nice and quiet. And your z also has 20 inches of travel. Machine's also equipped with a coolant system. The machine has a spindle chiller and twin chip augers. It can be seen under power. Thank you for watching.